Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, my name is Vera and this channel is about beauty, skincare, hair, motherhood, lifestyle, just a little bit of everything. So please join the family, subscribe, like and share this video, okay? Don't forget to turn your notification on because that's the only way you will know when I upload new videos. So today I'm going to be retouching my hair. Anybody who have been watching my videos, you know that I've been on natural hair journey, like no more relaxer, no more chemicals. I've been on this journey for almost 1 year now, and trust me, it's not an easy one. I have so much respect for anyone who have been on natural hair. It's not easy to maintain, which is really not a problem to me though, because I have products and I always try to treat my hair in order to comb it and style it. But I decided to change my mind because I've not really been looking the way that I like to look when I retouch my hair. You know, there's this spark and I feel like the natural hair makes me look dull. Do you understand? So I'm going to retouch it today and then you'll see the difference. You've seen my face right now and then we're going to see what I look like after I retouch it. Then you will understand what I'm saying. Like, my face looks dull even when I style it, no matter how I style it. But when I retouch my hair, you know, it kind of makes my face pop. I don't know how to explain it, but you're going to see for yourself. So let's get into it. Welcome back. So the first thing that I do is spray my white powder on my hair. I could remember my stylist said it keeps the hair from burning, especially if it's not dirty. I wash my hair often, so to be on a safe side, I spray the powder all over my hair. And you guys, before I forget, I was lucky to see a TCB relaxer in a beauty store close to me. Yeah, I know I've heard such name when I was in Nigeria, so I just felt it should be good on the texture of my hair. Yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and spray the powder all over my hair and then we continue. The next thing that I do is I apply my coconut hair cream on the edges, both front and back. Why I do this is same reason why I apply the white powder. I just don't want my hair to burn, and I know that my hair is not that dirty, right? So I try to do my part by taking all the precautions. Yeah, and I'm hoping that, you know, today I don't lose my edges. Yeah. So now that I'm done, as you can see, we'll go ahead and apply the relaxer. But before then, I like to cut my hair in sections with my comb, of course. You can do 4, but I prefer 3 because it's easier and faster for me. So I cut my hair in 3 sections and then apply it section by section, just like that. Now we move on to the relaxer. I told you the name is TCB. You can check your local beauty store. But before you start, always remember to cover yourself with your towel. It's very important because the chemical is so strong that it can hurt your skin. So make sure to cover up and then start applying. This is optional. What I like to do is to start from my front edges. Apply the whole of my front edges before going on the first section. It's very important to me in case the relaxer starts hurting me before or almost when I'm done. I want to be sure that my edges are relaxed, right? So I'll go ahead and apply it on the rest of my hair, section by section. So now that we are done with the whole hair, I'm gonna go back to the first section and apply the relaxer some more. What I'll do now is to apply it from the root to the tips of my hair. One thing that you need to know is that if you retouch your hair often, this is not for you, okay? You don't want your hair to get weak, because too much of it can weaken your hair, which will cause breakage. But because I haven't retouched my hair in almost 1 year, it's very necessary that I do the whole hair. Okay, when I'm done with the first section, I'll go ahead and do the same thing on the second and the third section, which I'll do offline, and then we'll continue. And always remember to wipe off any excesses that's touching your skin. Remember, the chemical is so strong. So the last thing that we're going to do is to comb the hair. Now this is very necessary because when you're combing out the hair from your scalp, it's gonna help prevent your hair from burning. Okay, take your time, comb gently from the tips to the roots. As you can see, it's combing easily. That means that the hair is retouching. Yeah, I think I did a good job. So just like that, when we're done, we'll do the same thing on the second and the third section. And that will be it. And now we're done. So we'll wait 15 to 30 minutes before I wash it off. That's if I don't feel any pain. But once I feel, even if it's tiny hotness, I'm going to rush and wash it off. You guys, it's more than 30 minutes because I was busy with the kids, and now I'm ready to wash it. I'm just gonna go ahead and shower at once, and I'll be back. You guys, as you can see, the hair is well retouched. Like, I give myself 10 over 10. Yeah, you can also see that my face is already popping. But wait till you see me tomorrow. when I'm done with the makeup and every other stuff. Just don't worry. Till tomorrow, gonna see when the hair is all dried and treated. Okay, see you tomorrow. Are you ready? Okay, so you guys, this is the new me. I'm so excited. Like, I love my hair. It came out so good. Yeah, I'm happy I retouched it today. You can see my face. I told you that there's this I don't know, there's this thing that I know that I've been missing since I went back to natural hair, and I'm glad that I'm saying goodbye to natural hair, at least for now. Yeah, so what do you think? Permit me to do 360 one more time before I go. Yay! Alright, take care of you. Remember to show kindness wherever you are, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.